मैं संदीप कुमार आप सभी का अरोमा साइंस क्लास में स्वागत करता हूं, मोस्ट वेलकम करता हूं। आज का विषय है ऑन्कोलॉजी एंड ट्यूमर्स, रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ ट्यूमर्स इन मेडिकल साइंस, पार्ट 3। The term oncology is related to cancer disease. The term oncology is made up of two words, onco and logy. Onco means mass or tumor or lesion or bulk or cancer, whereas logy means to study. The study of tumors or cancers and its related detection, medication, research, and treatment is called oncology. The doctor who is related to face this type of challenges is called oncologist or cancer specialist. We have already learned about tumor and its types in the previous cancer related video. In this video, we also describe the term tumor in short way. In general, a tumor means mass, lesion, or bulk which may be cancerous or not cancerous. There are two types of tumors found in our body. When any mutation or changes or error found in proto-oncogenes. Two types of tumors are as under benign tumor, secondly malignant tumor. Benign tumor means kind, gentle, not dangerous to human health if we consult to a doctor in early as we feel. Benign tumor is not a cancerous, but we ignore to see a doctor, then it gives extra load and pressure to nearby body parts due to its growing size. Malignant tumors. Malignant tumors are also called neoplastic tumors or advanced tumor cells, which are very dangerous to our health. We have studied about tumor and its kinds in the part 1 educational video class on 15 September 2021. Now we study about representation of tumor according to medical science. Representation of tumor. A doctor related to cancer specialist uses the TNM staging system for representation of tumor. Tumor is denoted by English capital letter T and number after it with lower case a, b, or m. Tx. It means that there is no information about the tumor or it cannot be measured. To. T0. T0. It means that there is no evidence of a tumor. TIS. T means tumor, I means in, and S means situation, condition. This means that tumor is only found in the cells where it started. It has not spread to any surrounding tissues. T1 to T4. This describes the size and location of tumor on a scale of 1, 2, 3, and 4. A larger tumor or a tumor that has gone or grown deeper into nearby tissue will get a higher number along with capital T later. For some kinds of cancer, the T stage can be broken down into subcategories, which is denoted by T2 small b or T2 small a or T1 small a or T4m, etc. A lowercase letters denote the types of cancer. M denotes to show that there are multiple tumors. In this way, we stud, we have we, we have studied about tumors and its stages on the basis of representation. इसी के साथ धन्यवाद